Hi, in this video I'd like to demo a challenge called HiJack Control. The way the challenge works is that an instructor has the ability to send all of the students in the class to a specific web page. So I'm going to demo the software first of all. On the instructor machine there's an application called instructor.exe that's running right here. If I click on it, the instructor can open up a web browser. So once the web browser is open, if the instructor wants to, the instructor can send all of the students to that specific web page by clicking the little light bulb. So once the instructor clicks the light bulb, all of the students will see exactly the same web page. The instructor also has the ability to take control of that user's mouse. So by clicking on the light bulb again, we can go over to mouse and turn the mouse on. Once the mouse is on, the instructor can then click and all of the students' machines will click in exactly the same place. So if I go to advisory committees and if I click there, all of the students' machines click at exactly the same moment. The instructor has the ability to turn the mouse off. Now, being a security professional, I wonder often how safe are these protocols? And if I were in this class, if I turned on something like Wireshark, would I be able to capture the interface that's being used? So I'm going to turn my packet sniffer on. And this is the challenge. With the packet sniffer running, what you need to do is you need to be able to capture and do a replay attack. Okay, so my packet sniffer is capturing data. So if I were in this classroom, I'm going to let the instructor send me to this web page. And if I look at my packet sniffer, I should have gathered quite a bit of information here. So I see a lot of TCP. So what you need to do is you need to understand and try to figure out at what point did I get sent to this web page and how did it happen. So I see a lot of traffic. And I see that right here I've got some UDP traffic right before all of the HTTP traffic happened. So what you want to do is you want to see if you can identify the UDP traffic and then maybe do a replay attack. There's different websites that will give you tools that you can change the payload, and the basic idea of the challenge is just to see if you can send data using UDP and pretend that you're the instructor and see if the other student machines will navigate to the website just as if you were the instructor to that class. So this is not an open source project. It's actually an old application that was used in classrooms. And I just thought this is a good opportunity to kind of pick it apart a little bit in a way that we can figure out maybe better ways of sending this data back and forth in a client-server style fashion. So the applications can actually be downloaded from my website if you go to joewetzel.com and have fun with it.